Open Ezcad 3.0 software. Click 3D. Convert into 3D operation interface. Import STL file. Click creating a basic 3D surface. Check its different angles. Click translation surface. Click center. Put STL graphic into center. Click translation surface again. Choose top position of Z-axis. Change Z into 0. Then click OK. Click stratified section. Click less than EZ into min Z and max Z, and it will auto-adjust values. Adjust value of thickness. It's thin thickness. The more layers, the long marking time. The exact value should be set according to your exactly work. When we do relief engraving, it also needs add contour. Click Add Contour. Click Square. Design one square, which is larger a little than graphic. Click Finish. Click Slicing Layer. Click Add Contour. When the mouse changes to a small hand, click the outline to add the outline to the cut surface. Click Hatch for graphics. Set hatch parameters according to your work. Then click OK Apply. Set hatch graphics. It can use upper hatch switch. Choose one according to your like. Now we set clean hatches, which can remove marking dust. Click Enable. Click Apply. Set cleaning hatch. Its pen no. Should be different with graphic hatch. Set ink count. Set to clean every few layers. The specific setting value depends on the actual situation. After adjusting all parameters, click Apply. Set speed, power, frequency for graphic hatching and cleaning hatching. Choose black pen. Set graphic hatch parameters. User default parameters into false. Set power, speed. Choose blue pen. Set cleaning hatch parameters. User default parameters into false. Set speed, which speed will faster. Set power, in general lower. Now set fixture offset to find focus length. Fixture offset value is the height from worktable to object surface. Click red light. Check marking position is OK or not.